And first, for day 10,
we're gonna give you the option to buy a private chef that'll cook you whatever you want between now and the end of the challenge for $50,000.
On day 5, they made a sign-in sheet. Before you answer, if you want to give up some of your prize money,
we're gonna let you have a nice meal.
Use this as a floor for your imagination as to what you could be eating for 90 more days.
Okay, let's not think about it right now.
They're starting to talk about whether they should take it.
I don't know what to do.
This was a good first one to tempt us with.
Would you pay $50,000 to have this for the rest of the challenge?
Nope.
I think we decided no.
Really? I honestly didn't think you guys would say no.
No. Oh my God.
I'll have another offer in 10 days. We'll see if you cave then. I really thought you were gonna say yes. That was crazy.
Bye. I'm really curious about what the next temptation is.
I know.